saying create the heart, and I'm starting a new series. I'm hoping it's going to be a monthly series where I just kind of take a look at some of our wonderful stamping companies out there, especially the small ones that maybe you've never heard of, maybe you've forgotten about. And so these videos actually end up being a lot of work, but it's just a way for me to kind of show some of the wonderful products from different companies. So this month I am working on showing you guys stuff from Hello Bluebird. So Hello Bluebird, they kind of cleared out everything in their store. They looked like they were maybe not going to be in business any longer. And then they started coming out with kind of, I guess you would say, seasonal releases. And so I have some like old, and I really didn't work too much on some of the new stuff because I didn't have a lot of time. Actually, I'm hoping I'll have more time to show some other stuff from them, even if it's just kind of showing it. I don't have cards made for it, but they are a really, really fabulous company. They have some really, really cute products. For a while there, they had a ton of different types of like landscape background type dies that I thought were pretty cool and very reasonably priced. They do have sales. I've gotten a couple coupons from them to get like a free stamp set if I bought something from them. So they definitely could use your business, but there are some really amazing products. So I'm just going to kind of show you some things and some cards that I made. So this is more of a project share. And then throughout the month, I will have, it's not very much time left in this month, it's halfway done, but I'm going to show you some different cards that I made, and we'll make them together. And so let's get into it. So this one is called Merry Little Christmas, and it has this super cute kind of vintagey looking deer, which I just absolutely fell in love with, but also all of these tiny little sentiments, which are really, really great for kind of filling in different spaces on your card, or when you need like a tiny little sentiment, which I'll show you in another video how I used one of these as well as the card you're going to see. And then some other ones that I used for these cards is this one, which is called December Post. This is one of their newer ones, I think. And so it's intended to kind of fit into this little frame I'm going to show you, but you could use this all different ways. It's really, really cute and just fun. I think it's just really fun. And I know I have dies somewhere, but I'm pretty sure I have dies to this, but I don't know where the dies are. Around here somewhere. I'll find them. Somewhere. Or the dies. I'm pretty sure I have dies to this. I can't remember now. We'll see. Or not. Maybe I don't have dies. Looks like I actually cut these out, so I don't have dies. Very cute. And then I also used this die, which is like a greenery die. And this is an "Oh What Fun" is the sentiment, plus it has a like a background die. And then here is this kind of fun die. Okay, so let's get into the cards. I've got 3 cards to show you that I really like how they came out. So here's the one using that really cute vintage deer, and I used some paper from Echo Park, and I love it. It came out so cute. And then I used one of those little sentiments. Really cute and fun. And then here, this one is using that fun frame, and I think I'm going to show you 2 cards, and they have different looks. And so basically when I cut this out of the white, it gave me like, you know, this piece, and then when I cut it out of red, it gave me this piece. And so that way I just kind of used both of the pieces to design 2 different cards. And this one I used a sentiment here, those little tiny sentiments, and this one I just used the greenery and kind of used it there. And so this one I did a combination of stamping right on the square and using the stamp sets to kind of color these in. And then some, I think this one, maybe this one I did all, this one I'm trying to think. No, it looks like I actually stamped them all right on here. Trying to think. This one I stamped them and then I fussy cut them out, and then I used foam tape to prop them up. And so just two different looks, and you can see that greenery up here, which is really, really fun. And I just really think these cards are really, really fabulous. And so make sure you check out Hello Bluebird. Stay tuned on my channel. I'm going to have some other cards using a variety of different stamps and dies from Hello Bluebird. And a lot of them are Christmas, but I do have a spring one that I'm going to be showing you guys also. So anyway, thank you so much for watching. This is Sandy Crane with the Heart.